Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, we discuss about the power of macro and if formula in Excel. We have the student data which includes the ID, the name of the student and the last secured score of the student. We need to assign the remarks to the student. We use here the two functions which is the macro and the second one is if formula to get the result. So the first one we use here the if function which is equals to if bracket open. In the logical task we select the score and then greater than symbol. If the score is greater than or equals to 60 comma inverted comma open, it will assign the pass, inverted comma close. In the else it will consider fail, bracket close. This is the criteria or the logical value, and if get 60 will assign the pass, else it will assign the fail. Now we simply need to drag it down to apply the same function below. You can see here, now we can test our function. If I assign the less than 60 value, what will be the result? And if I assign greater than 60 value, what will be the result? This is how we have completed our if function. Now for the macro function, we simply need to delete the data first. Then we go here in the tabs, in the different tabs we find the different values, but in the developer option we get the record macro. So I click on the record macro. You can assign the name to the record macro as per your need. I write here formula dash and then if dash formula. You can also assign the short key for the macro. Then okay, macro recording is started. Now I write here the if formula, again if, and in the if function bracket open we use the same function which is logical test d5 greater than equals to 60. It will assign the pass status, and if the condition is not satisfied it will give the fail, bracket close and enter. But you can see here the data, if I just drag it down, so we get the same result. This is how we have completed it. Now we can test by changing the value. This is how we have completed the recording of the macro. Now we need to stop the recording. We again go here in the developer tab and click on the stop recording. This is how we have completed our recording. Now we need to assign the button. So we go here in the developer and in the insert you will find the different options. So I select this option and it says the assign macro. So we click on the saved macro, then press OK. You can also change the name of the button in the edit text option. Like if I change the name of the button 6 to the result, then we simply need to press the data and or simply need to press the button, it will automatically give us the result. Now we test our function. If I just delete the data and change the values, now we simply need to press here in the result and it will automatically give us the remarks or the status of the result. This is how we can use the macro function as well if we need it. We simply need to change the data, or we simply need to insert the score and press button, so it will automatically give us the result of the employees. You can use the if function if you want, or you can also use the macro function if you want to choose the macro function as well. There are both options are available and both are very easy to use. We simply need to change the data, or we simply need to insert the scorecard. If you face any confusion, please write in our comment section.